First, we're gonna wash your hands. These are all the ingredients. Milk, syrup, vanilla, cinnamon, applesauce, and Julia powder mix. We're gonna take them all. Let's make one of the ingredients. I put on my applesauce. First, I put my maple syrup. Then I put on the vanilla. Not so good. Next, we need to do cinnamon. It smells yummy. It smells yummy, Mommy.
It does.
Now it's time to mix it up. Next, there's 12 cups of milk. It's too heavy. Okay, I'm running. So now it's time to mix the combina. Now mix it again. That's enough. Now time to get our cupcakes in. Put your butter in the pan. We might get it blown up. Add some put it in the oven. Real onion, and ingredients. 20 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Now they need to cool down. Now let's be fast. You mean so cream cheese? A little butter. Now put the powder sugar. Then put vanilla paste. And then put a pinch of salt. Now mix. Now the taste test. Let's buy a cupcake. Those look like beautiful. Now the perfect part. Tasting it. Thanks for hanging me today. See you next time. The Hangin by Mr. Myles.